In today's video, we're going to check out the best budget drone under $200 in 2021. We quoted this list from a few product review sites, and we listed them based on price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see the price and find out more information about them, you can check out the links in the description below. And here are the top 5 best budget drone under $200 2021. Coming in number 5 of best budget drone under $200 2021 is Altair 818 Hornet. Number 4. Holystone HS120. Number 3. Parrot Mambo. Number 2. Holystone HS165. Number 1 of best budget drone under $200 2021 is Potensic D80. Thank you for watching the top 5 best budget drone under $200 in 2021. If you decided on a product to purchase, then look in the description below to get further product information and also get the best offers available right now.